Does your homeowner's insurance cover foundation repair work? Welcome to another episode of Foundation Repair. You ask, we answer. Today's question that we got posed to us is, does your homeowner's insurance cover foundation repair work?
So to answer your question, Brian, the short answer would be no. But out of the 10 years I've been involved in the foundation repair business and the over 3,000 repair plans I've designed and the 800 to 900 jobs I've been a part of, about 4 of those jobs were covered by insurance. One, a homeowner moved out of their home and they did not water a tree. 50 feet away was their neighbor's house and they had a water leak. And the tree root navigated its way and found that water and lifted up their concrete. That was covered. And then high pressure water leaks are covered. But to answer your question, it's not 99.9% of the time it's not covered by insurance.
Yeah, great answer, Mark. And unfortunately, homeowners insurance just doesn't cover foundation repair just because there's so many variables that go into what the actual cause is, whose responsibility is, and ultimately who's left to pay for it. And unfortunately, most of the time, like Mark was saying, it's going to be you, the homeowner, that's going to be responsible for any foundation repair work or any foundation repair upgrades that you do to your home.
Yep.
All right. Thanks for joining us on another episode of You Ask,
We Answer.